Dear student, at present the world is affected by coronavirus, so our school is closed. We can't go to school, but we shall not stop our study. So I have come to teach English to you, the student of class 5.
Dear students, good morning. How are you? Fine. Dear students, let's enjoy a video. I shall ask you some questions. What should be the content of the heading? Place and date. What should be there in the body of a letter? In the body of the letter, there should be personal and necessary information of the sender. Whose name / signature will be in the signature part? The signature of the sender.
Dear students, the previous classes you have learned 5 important parts of an informal letter. Today we will learn how to reply to a letter and how to write address on the envelope. Group work. Write Jessica's reply to Shima, including the parts of the letter listed in activity Ace. Use the following cues to write your letter. Dear students, I am going to divide you in 5 groups. Students, all of you must be careful to use capital letters and punctuation marks properly. Next, every group will present your group work. Read the following cues and see the example letter in the next slide. Let's see the letter. Dear students, look at the picture and say what it is. Now every students make a pair sitting beside you at the right side. Every pair look at the envelope of Shima's letter to Jessica. Students, draw an envelope and then write your school address on it. The members of 2 pairs will observe the school address written on the envelopes drawn by the members of other groups. I told you to bring an envelope the previous class. Have you brought an envelope? Okay, now write your address on the envelope. Look at the screen and observe the envelope and address written on it. Then make correction of your work of drawing and written address on it. Have you finished? Then put your letter in the envelope. What have you learned from today's lesson? We have learned about how to write a letter and an envelope. Suppose you are Nila You have a friend who lives in Feni. Now write a letter to your friend about yourself, including the parts heading, greeting, body, closing, and signature. Use capital letter and punctuation marks. Look at the envelope for Shima's letter to Jessica. Write the address on Jessica's envelope. Suppose you are Toma or Tuhin. Your friend is Mithu or Mina. Write a letter to your friend about how to keep body fit, including the parts heading, greeting, body, closing, and signature. Use capital letters and punctuation marks. Dear guardians, in the situation of COVID-19 crisis, my earnest request to you to follow the following things for the betterment of you and your children. These are: number 1, you and your child will stay at home. Number 2, if it is necessary to go out of home, you and your children must take personal protection management. Number 3, supervising your children's regular learning, homework, and other necessary things for their study. Number 4, encouraging your children to take part in the next classes to continue their study at home. Thank you all.